Good morning. I am Stephanie. I'm the founder of a nonprofit called This One's for the Gals. And I really like to say we talk to girls about careers that not very many people talk to girls about. And that's what today is all about. Take a moment to think about what you want to get out of today. I challenge you, learn one thing new. Talk to one role model that's here today that you can continue to grow your network. Maybe you might make a connection with.
Now is the time. I'm calling all the dreamers. Let your colors burst into the light.
It's going to be an amazing day. We've got incredible women and men here to surround you. Congratulations on being here, and have a terrific day today.
Don't be afraid to be uncomfortable sometimes. Don't be afraid to take those risks.
I knew I was different growing up. I knew that I liked a challenge.
If you can think it, or you can dream it, or you can ask questions, then you can find the answer. And so there's an excitement in kids now that wasn't there before. And that's beautiful because we're getting our kids back and they're excited to learn and they're excited to see what their future holds.
What we're doing is we're simulating what would be a first line break. We do it a lot in the plants, especially on turnarounds or if we need to work on something. We're trying to teach the students not only to be safe when they're doing these things, but also teaching them about tools. We're using torque wrenches, we're using combination wrenches.
More than anything, I hope that today was eye-opening. I hope you understand that there are many pathways in this industry and that there is a future. There is a future for you in this area, in the manufacturing industry.
I think that what Stephanie's doing is really, really great. I've been to a couple of these events and I think it's super empowering. A lot of these trades and a lot of the jobs that she's teaching young women can really provide them a good life and a good career.
It's good to open your mind up to new things and meet new people, explore, and just keep an open mind. You know, you can have your heart set on one thing, but you never know if you're good at another thing.
I was very nosy, I was very curious. I wanted to see what their inside was gonna be, so I kind of walked behind them to kind of listen in. I heard them say, "Man, this was fun. That was pretty cool." And I said, "Yes."
I fell into a world I had no clue existed. And I feel even if I did know it existed, I never would have felt I could be a part of it. And I want y'all to know you can. You absolutely can. It does not matter where you come from. It matters where you want to go and the hard work you're willing to put in to get there. I just want you to know you can have it all. You can. And that's what today is about.